Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be doing more on exponential equations and equating their powers. So we have the three rules up on the top left, you can see there, and now we'll get right into it and start doing some questions. Alright, so first question I have is going to be quite a tough one now, so this will be a challenge. Going to be trial by fire here. So I'll write it out, see if you can do it by yourself, and then we'll go through it in the video and explain it as we go along. Right, so equals 2 to the power of x equals 8 to the power of y plus 1. 3 to the power of x minus 9 is equal to 9 to the power of y. Alright, so now this will have an element of simultaneous equations in it. Alright, so here we go. 2x to the power of x is equal to 8y plus 1. So we want to get the same base, as you can see from the rules up above. So we'd have 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by y plus 1. So 2 to the x is equal to 2 to the power of 3y plus 3. And then we can bring the exponents down. As you can see from this third rule, equate these powers and solve the equation. Alright, so x is equal to 3y plus 3, and we want to bring the y's and x's over to the one side and leave the constant number on the right side for simultaneous equations, which you will see in 1 minute. So x minus 3y, it's a bit of a weird tree. Okay, that'll be our first one in simultaneous equations, and then we'll do second. So here we have our second equation here from up above. This will be the 3 to the power of x minus 9, so we'll do that one up here, and this will give us our second part of the simultaneous equation. 3 to the x minus 9 is equal to 9 to the power of y. Okay, so 3 to the power of x minus 9, I'm going to get the same base, so 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by y, or 3 to the power of 2, because 3 to the power of 2 is 9, because 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So you have 3 to the power of x minus 9 is equal to 3 to the power of 2y, and then we equate the powers, so we bring them down. So x minus 9 is equal to 2y, x is equal to 2y plus 9, and then we'll bring the y over, so we have x minus 2y is equal to 9. So this will be the second part. This will be 2. I'll just write a little 2 there. Alright, so I'm going to change colour now. I'll change this to green, and now we've got, so the first one is 1. We'll write in x to the power of minus 3y. Alright, so here we go. X to the power of minus 3y equal to 3. And now for the second one, we'll go x to the power, or x to the minus 2, minus 2y is equal to 9. And now what we need to do is we need to subtract one from the other and just isolate either a y's or the x's. So we'll just subtract in this case to get y's on its own. So if we subtract, the x's will cancel out. The minus 2y would change to a plus 2y, so this would be minus y from the y above. And then the minus 9 from 3 would give us is equal to minus 6. And then we just change the signs, multiply by minus 1 over here to change the signs, and y is equal to 6. Alright, nice, so that's the first one. Now we can sub it in to our equation up here, and we'll get x. So x minus 3 to the power, or multiplied by 6, is equal to 3. So x minus 6, 12, 18 is equal to 3. X is equal to 21. Alright, very nice. So that's how you solve those equations, which may seem tough at first, but once you break down all the steps, they're quite simple. So, thank you for watching. See if you can do the questions on your own now. Have a go at using the rules up here on the top left for exponential equations, and I will see you in the next one.